Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two workhorse brands will be going head-to-head. We have the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse and the WORX Work Table Sawhorse. No matter what do-it-yourself or carpentry project you're working on, a sawhorse is a handy and functional tool that'll help you do your job efficiently. Unlike any wood-cutting equipment, a good sawhorse provides you with a proper and fully equipped workstation to deliver your task conveniently. Since we all know that you won't be settling for anything but the best, we had two extremely reliable sawhorses go head-to-head. In today's brand wars, we're having the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse square off with the WORX Work Table Sawhorse. While the competition is fierce, there can only be one sawhorse brand that'll come out on top in today's battle, so don't miss out on the action. If you're interested in the other workhorses that we reviewed, do check out our workhorse review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these workhorses will be going toe-to-toe with is their weight capacity. This determines the weight a sawhorse can handle without any issues. Generally, sawhorses can accommodate 250 to 1,000 pounds. Do-it-yourself projects such as painting or woodworking require a load capacity of around 500 pounds, while workhorses made for professional tasks can carry up to more than 1,000 pounds. A single ToughBuilt sawhorse has a whopping 1,300 pound capacity alone, and when combined with its pair included in the set, it has a 2,600 pound capacity. The WORX Sawhorse, on the other hand, supports up to 1,000 pounds, which is more than enough for most jobs. Due to the ToughBuilt Sawhorse's capacity of 2,600 pounds, it easily overpowered the competition, which is why we have declared it the winner in this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their material. One very important factor you need to consider before you purchase a sawhorse is its material. Sawhorses are made of various materials such as plastic, wood, or metal. You'll have to determine which material you'd be more comfortable working with. In addition, each material has its own pros and cons. Plastic is a more lightweight choice, but its weight capacity won't be as high as its steel counterpart. Wooden sawhorses have an ideal weight capacity but are on the heavy side of things. The ToughBuilt Sawhorse is built to last and is constructed from powder-coated and zinc-plated steel that'll never corrode. This allows it to withstand the harshest environments for years or even decades. In addition, it's constructed with 100% high-grade steel, allowing it to be capable of even the most demanding jobs. Its competitor, the WORX Sawhorse, is made of dependable, molded ABS with steel supports and fittings, making it a reliable choice for years. With undeniably solid construction including a coating that prevents corrosion, the ToughBuilt Sawhorse has the upper hand in this category. With that, ToughBuilt dominates another round yet again. The third category these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their foldable features and portability. It would be best to invest in a sawhorse with a foldable design for maximum convenience and comfort. This allows you to bring the sawhorse from one place to another or store it in a compact space with ease. The ToughBuilt Sawhorse features a convenient foldable design while maintaining its reliability and super heavy-duty build. In addition, it has durable legs that fold, allowing for easier storage. Meanwhile, the WORX Sawhorse also features a foldable design that folds flat, making it super easy to move and store. The WORX Sawhorse wins this round due to its ultra-flat design. Additionally, unlike its competition, this product is a single piece of equipment, giving it a portability advantage. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their size support. The wooden planks that you'll eventually be working on have different size ratings, so it would be best to choose a sawhorse built for a wide range of options that can cut with proper stability. Most sawhorse designs can cut 2x4 wooden planks, while others work best with 4x4 wooden planks. We suggest purchasing a sawhorse that is best suited to the wood plank size you're going to deal with. ToughBuilt has support arms that fit 2x4s and 4x4s. When deployed, these sawhorses transformed into an undeniably solid and super steady job site table. WORX, however, is equipped with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs that are integrated and stay attached even as you fold the table into a sawhorse. Since they're designed exclusively for the Pegasus, they're extremely tough. The clamps are also able to handle materials up to 18 inches in both a horizontal and vertical position. Both these sawhorses are well equipped for materials of different sizes, and there really is no way to know for sure if one has an advantage over the other. With that, it's only fair to end this round in a tie. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their special features. Special features can be one of the main selling points, which is why it's worth noting how the manufacturer went the extra mile in providing you with added perks. ToughBuilt's special feature is its fast opening mechanism that's straightforward and simple. This allows you to get to work straight away. WORX's special feature is also considered its main selling point. It has the capacity to be turned into a work table and is heavy enough to carry up to 300 pounds of materials. It also features an innovative storage shelf built for placing a wide range of tools. It's undeniable that the WORX's ability to turn into a work table makes it win this round by a landslide. This feature makes WORX Sawhorse all the more versatile. The sixth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their ergonomic legs. Since the Sawhorse's legs determine how stable it is on different terrain, this is something you'll definitely have to look into first. ToughBuilt features telescopic legs and pivoting feet that allow the Sawhorse to hold its ground in any terrain. On the other hand, the WORX Sawhorse's feet lock into place and are made of tough molded ABS with steel supports. In addition, it also has non-slip feet that stay in place in both grass and pavement. In this category, both our competitors have legs that are virtually identical, with each of them built for stability when placed on different surfaces. This is why our team has decided to give a point to each of them. The seventh and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their size and weights. You'll always want to consider how large and heavy your Sawhorse is. Preferably, you'll be opting for the lighter and more compact alternative. ToughBuilt measures 5.12 by 39.84 by 5.51 inches and weighs 22.9 pounds. But the downside here is that it comes in two, which requires more extra space. WORX, however, is a single piece and measures 27.17 by 37.04 by 6.3 inches while weighing 25 pounds. WORX may be a bit bulkier, but what makes it a winner in this category is its size in relation to how it's able to convert to a work table, making it an undoubtedly compact two-in-one tool. And that concludes the battle between the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse and the WORX Sawhorse. The scores are and WORX Sawhorse is able to gather a total of 5 points, a single point ahead of its competitor. With that, WORX wins today's brand wars mainly due to its uniqueness and versatility. Don't count out ToughBuilt though. It still proved to be an undeniably heavy-duty option that many of you would love to get your hands on. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the ToughBuilt Adjustable Sawhorse and the WORX Work Table Sawhorse is finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Sawhorse face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.